Singsang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Jeneline Fronda, happily married from Philippines. I have 4 sons, ages 18, 12, 11, and 2 years old. I am high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and singing. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 2 years and 5 months. I serve one couple and 2 children with ages 5 and 9 years old. My second experience as a housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years and 3 months. I serve one couple and one newborn baby. My third experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 1 year and 5 months. I serve one couple and one newborn baby. My duties are house chores, cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing, marketing, and taking good care a newborn baby. I want to work Hong Kong because I want to earn money for the future of our children. I'm willing to take good care the elderly. The thing that I can do to take good care the elderly is to assist, to take a bath, and to change their clothes. To my future employer, please choose me as a housemaid. I promise to finish my contract, and I love to your children as my own. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.